If your sprinkler heads keep clogging or losing pressure, problem, of course, isn't your irrigation system, it's your water. Hey, this is Gerry from Clean Water Store. Today I'm going to show you why your sprinklers keep clogging and how to fix it. There are a few main causes, and once you identify which one you have, the solution becomes pretty straightforward. And one of the most common causes is sand, dirt, or grit, or sediment coming from the well. Another cause of clogging is mineral buildup. If you have high hardness, calcium carbonate, then the minerals can precipitate out and form a scale, usually inside the sprinkler heads or emitters. And a simple way to check this is to take a 5-gallon bucket and open up the water like a hose bib or a valve. Just run it as fast as you can coming from the well to get as full a flow as you can and fill the bucket up. And look closely to see if there's sand or grit settles out within a minute or two. And keep in mind that some wells only produce sand after running for say a half an hour or so. So you may need to let the water run a while or test it at different times during your irrigation run to see what's going on. So if you do see sand or grit, you have several good options. The simplest solution and cheapest is a spin down filter. This is a screened filter, usually around 30 or 60 mesh, that catches the sand and grit. If you have heavier sand, like beach sand, that settles out quite quickly in a bucket, then a centrifugal sand separator works very well. So centrifugal sand separators don't use a screen. Instead, they spin the water and drop the heavy sand out in the bottom where it can be flushed out. You can either manually flush it out, or you can set it up on an automatic timer where it turns on could be 20 minutes or every hour or every day, and flushes out what's accumulated there. These are very low maintenance and work great for larger particles and heavy sand. But if you have a lot of fine sediment that doesn't settle quickly, and then it's harder to see in the bucket, then you need a finer filtration system. In that case, a good setup is a combination approach. You start with a spin-down filter to remove the heavier material, or a centrifugal sand separator, and then follow it with a backwashing sediment filter. If you have a lot of irrigation water and you have a lot of sediment, backwashing filter works great. It uses a special media to remove very fine sediment, but then it automatically cleans itself by backwashing, usually when the water isn't being used, and it's all automatic, so you don't have to change cartridges. Another option, especially for small irrigation systems, of course, is cartridge filters. You can use a multi-stage setup starting with a larger micron filter, like a 50 micron, followed by a finer filter, such as a 5 or 1 micron. By having this kind of system, of course, you're helping the minerals dissolve and you're reducing scaling. You can also do a one-time cleaning. So say you've used your irrigation systems for years and just now you have a problem with finally with the hardness building up, then you can do a one-time injection, inject vinegar or citric acid, and then let it sit for a few hours and flushing it out. So this will remove buildup that's already formed inside the pipes or emitters. And when you break it down, clogging usually comes from either sand, sediment, or from the wells or minerals forming deposits inside your system. So I would highly recommend testing the water first. But if you have any kind of like rust staining or sediment buildup, it's a really good idea to know what the water chemistry is. At a minimum, you want to know iron, manganese, what the hardness is, what the pH is. Totals all solids is also important. If you'd like help figuring out any of this and just try to figure out what the right setup is for your situation, please go to our website and fill out our water test quiz. No salespeople, no commissions, just knowledge, and work with you on figuring out what kind of system will work best for your irrigation system. We've done hundreds of irrigation projects over the years, and people are very happy, and we're happy to work with you and help you figure out what you might need.